With loop mode, you can loop. But what does that mean in English? So let's imagine I have an enrichment flow and I want to add the number of employees and the industry for each company in this base. So I already have the Airtable reader node. What I'm going to go ahead and do is add an enrichment node. This lets me add additional information such as number of employees and industry. Now note that this node takes as input a text field, the domain name. And I want to pass the list of domains from Airtable into that text input. Now notice as I do that, loop mode gets turned on. This is saying for each domain, for each item in the input, go ahead and execute this node. Go ahead and get the number of employees and the industry that that company is in. So if I run this and go look at the enrichment node, we see that we have a list as input, and then we have two lists as output. It's taken each item, IBM, McKinsey, and Nike, and then ran the node for each item, gotten the number of employees and the industry for each. Now, quick word of caution. If you've connected a list to a text input and you turn off loop mode, you're going to get a type mismatch error. Now, I'm not going to get into this here. Here's a video explaining what's going on and how to fix that. So now we can turn that back on. And now we've created our enrichment. We simply have to take the outputs of the enrichment and put them into Airtable to complete our enrichment flow. So just remember, if you are passing a list into a text input, Gumloop will automatically go into loop mode, meaning it's going to go ahead and execute that node for each item in the list. And now you understand the loop in Gumloop.